This is the new Triumph Speed T4, the most accessible Triumph motorcycle you can buy right now. Let's check out its exhaust note. So what do you think of this exhaust note? Is it similar to the Triumph Speed 400? Let us know in the comments below.